This session will deal with how to calculate the multiplication table between the two limits for a particular multiplying factor. So here we are taking the int table. The table will represent the number for which we need to calculate the multiplication table. So that will be absorbed as a console readline method after the implicit conversion of the converter 32. And we are assigning lower limit and higher limit for the operation to happen for the multiplicative factor with respect to the table. So lower limit we can take it, for example, to be 10, and high limit we can take it to be 30. And table we can process it for the fifth number for the multiplicative factor to calculate the multiplication table. So it should take 10 into 5, 11 into 5, 12 into 5, till 30 into 5. So accordingly, we are using a for loop where the lower limit has been assigned before until it reaches the high value, that is low is less than or equal to high. There is a low limit is a counter that is working over here till it reaches the high limit. So and in this particular case, it is 10 to 20 with respect to the table 5. So table has to multiply with each of the low limit till it reaches the high value. That is, low limit is taking from 10 to 30 and table is 5. So the repetitive process of multiplication will be 5 into 10, 5 into 11, 5 into 12, 5 into 13, 5 into 14, so and so till 5 into 30. So, and that is represented in the labeling format. The table followed by the limit also we are seeing the multiplicative factor as well. So we can go for the start button and go for debug session of the page where exactly the debug output is available. So we can share the window. Now it's asking for the compilers for the user-friendly person to enter the number for which you need to calculate the multiplication table. So we enter 5 and we keep the lower limit as 10 and keep the higher limit as 30. And we can see this 10 into 5 is 50, 11 into 5 is 55, 12 into 5 is 60, 13 5 is 65, 14 5 is 70, 15 5 is 75, 16 5 is 80, 17 5 is 85, 18 5 is 90, 19 5 is 95, and 105 is 25 is 100, 21 5 is 105. It goes on like that till 35 is 150, 150. So this is how we can set the lower limit and higher limit with respect to a multiplicative factor of a particular number.